Simula na ng PBA Governors Cup. First game ng Talk and Text Tropang Texters versus Meralco. Naging mainit ang shooting ni Jared Dillinger at pinilit ni Paul Harris punan ang scoring load ng Texters. Si Meralco import champ Oguchi naman ang nagbida sa box. After the first period, Talk and Text 28, Meralco 22. Sa pagsisimula ng second quarter, Araneta de Ocampo hits jumper and hits 2 free throws. Sol Mercado scores a fast break layup. Mercado swishes straight. Oguchi connects on a 3 at isa na lang ang lamang ng tropa, 41-40. Aban buries corner tray. Isang 3 points naman ang ibinuslo ni De Ocampo. Meralco overtakes Talk and Text after the second quarter, 54-52. Sa second half, Pamboy Raimundo sinks a jumper. Ali Peak muscles his way inside. Nagtulungan sina Asito Lava at Oguchi upang banderahan ng Bulls. Aaron Aban scores underneath of Raimundo dish. Meralco still on top over Talk and Text after the third quarter, 83-78. Sa fourth period, Aban sinks a jumper. De Ocampo scores inside. De Ocampo drains straight. Jared Dillinger fouls out of the game. Aban swishes a jumper. Patuloy naman ang pagbira ng tres ni Oguchi. Oguchi buries jumper but Harris sinks straight. Meralco up 102-97 with 31.5 seconds left. Harris misses a chance to trim Meralco lead further as he slips onto the floor. Mercado hits free throws to seal the win. Final score, Meralco 105, Talk and Text 99. Naramdaman ng tropa ang pagkawala ng ilang star players. Si Paul Harris ang nanguna sa tropa with 32 points. Si Araneta de Ocampo ay may 17 habang ang nagbabalik na si Aaron Aban ay may 13. Ini-expect ng marami na tatambakan ng tropa dahil sa very much depleted lineup. Pero nahirapan ng Meralco bago nakuha ang panalo. Sa endgame at sa breaks of the game lang nagkatalo. Nabigyan ng playing time ang mga reserves ng tropa at sa pagbabalik ng mga key players, lalong lalakas ang signal ng Texters. First game pa lang, more games to come. More wins din. Let's go, tropa!